morning, sir. Good morning, madam. We are the student of Shining Star Academy, and today we have presented a project on technology in agriculture and rural development. So let us start the fascinating journey. Now, first reason that why we have selected this topic. We have selected this topic because we are making a huge progress in space missions, ICT and other fields. But some or the other way we are lacking our focus from the agriculture field. So to focus on the agriculture and rural area, we have selected this topic. Traditionally, the practice of agriculture was done with the help of animals such as bullock, ox, etc. But in this type of farming, the income of the farmer was less and the financial problems of the farmers were more. The outcome of the production from these types of farming was very less. So, the slowly development in the agriculture takes place, and from the bullock cart, the new machineries and techniques were used, such as the tractors, plow, etc. These were introduced. But along with this, new techniques and methods were introduced. In this type of farming, modern farming, the outcome from this farm was very good. The financial problems started to reduce and the farmers were getting maximum income. In this smart village, we have also built an agro mall. In this agro mall, the farmers can get harmless insecticide, harmless pesticides, organic seeds, organic fertilizers and other machineries used for agriculture. Farmers were getting subsidiary cost of these machines, so that the farmers were also encouraged to use these machineries from the agro mall. So let us come toward the agriculture. Here a new technique of the farming is introduced. It is the vertical farming. Now my friend Sai will explain the further project.
As we are facing the problem of less land for availability of land for cultivation, we have brought this method. In this method, the vertical farming is done. So what does vertical farming mean? Vertical farming means the farming is done, the growth of the plant is done in vertical stands. These type of vertical stands. Here in the farming, the various leafy vegetables, mushrooms can be grown, as the growing period of these plants is comparatively less. It needs 70% less water than the other farming. Next, Vaishnavi will continue.
Nowadays we are facing a huge problem of waste management. In order to get best out of waste, we can use the technique of biofuel production. In this technique, the waste from the houses, such as the waste remains of fruits, vegetables, nut shells and other organic waste, was mixed with the cow dung and was collected in the biofuel tank. Here, this waste is completely decomposed. After complete decomposition, we get the biogas, which is used as a fuel in the houses. Along with this biogas, we get a slurry. This slurry is further converted into fertilizers. These fertilizers are used as organic fertilizers in the farms. In this smart village, we are using the electricity. This electricity is generated with the help of windmill and solar panels. Due to pandemic COVID-19, millions of people lose their jobs. As we know that every cloud has a silver lining, many people have migrated towards the rural area in search of employment. Due to this, the employment opportunities for the people were less and the employers were more. So, to solve this problem, we can encourage the people for employment opportunities in animal husbandry, sugar industries, textile industries, agro malls, fishing, bees culture and other fields which can be developed in the agriculture. People can also practice vertical farming as well as the traditional farming. So, this was our project. This project contributes to white revolution and green revolution. It's don't be greedy. It's time to be greeny. This entire project is guided by Sarla teacher.